Everyone says that promoting your project, your website, growing your business this way requires a lot of money. But that's bullshit, trust me. You're on the channel Ilya's Digital, I'm Ilya, and now I'm going to tell you how to promote your website in a lack of budget and even with no money. Now you're going to learn 3 ways to promote your project for free in the internet. First of all, no matter is your business local or global, big or small, digital or not, you have to be sure that you use all opportunities to mention it. There is a lot of directories, catalogs like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Google My Business, and so on. Just get sure that as many as you can find websites with such directories, customer reviews, companies' ratings contain information about your company. This will give you 3 main advantages. They are mentions, backlinks, even if not of best quality. Second one, contact with your customers and potential attention to your project, new customers. The next one is social medias. Yes, the best thing is that they are free. You have not to pay, and if you use them correctly, your project can grow fast. Today, TikTok is the most visited website, so why not to use it to promote your website? You need only 1,000 of subscribers to go live on TikTok. My experience says that only one video can bring you millions of views and thousands of subscribers. Yes, it can be not the first your video on TikTok, maybe even not the 5th one, but it will happen if you don't stop. Just imagine it. Your short videos that you make at home or at office or during going to customers bring you millions of views, and some of them will get converted to your website visitors and even to your customers. So my suggestion is to use it and use it and use it again. The era of forums has already passed away. It was great time when any expert could promote their services and goods on forums for free, just answering people's questions. But stop! Quora is still very popular, so all you have to do is to go to Quora.com, find questions about products and services you sell, and answer people. Attach the link to your website. This simple method can bring you a lot of new visitors and customers. So, these were 3 ways to promote your project for free. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate every like and subscribe. I'm Ilya. Goodbye.